have another story to tell. It's around 3:30 p.m. and it's about time to prepare the dinner. So our wonderful host Sharif and his wife, at least his wife, prepares the dinner tonight, and they have some special mussels they caught behind the mangroves. It's a very specific type of mussel that's very delicious, and it will be made with coconuts and coconut milk, something like that. I also have no idea how to make it, but I would say we try to figure out how she does it. So let's go. Right now she's opening the mussels. I can show that here. And the mussels are getting opened here, slowly by hand, there, until all the meat gets out. Wow. And here's already the rest. Already opened all of them, so only 2 left. It's a very hard thing to do. We have to go and take the leaves from the palm tree first, because the inside of the mussels will be wrapped in palm leaves together with coconut milk or coconut cream, and then basically they're gonna be roasted in the fire in the natural packaging, which is amazing. I cannot wait. So now the boat has arrived. It's the houseboat basically, or the local transport boat, and we're gonna see how to get these specific palm tree leaves that they use to make the wrapping to finally roast it over the fire. So let's get into the boat. Okay, let's go. Let's go for a little ride. Oh, that's another nice view from the outside on my own house. And there's another boat. All transportation goes by boat, so because there's a lot of water. And let's see. Actually, sometimes they have some crocodiles in the waters here, so it's not recommended to swim in the evening time, because they are saltwater crocodiles, so it's a serious thing. But the locals say they don't really come and hunt you down unless you swim in the evening time, because they apparently are hungry, same as the humans. There's some little things here. Looks like flowers. Nanti dia tumbuh lagi?
Nanti.
Ah ya? Wow.
Beberapa tahun ke depan.
Now we're back home, and we have all of the leaves down here in the boat, as we can see. So the small ones we don't take, just the big ones. Halo.
Halo.
Bisa taruh di mana?
Boleh di sini. Ini bumbunya saya sudah giling, sudah taruh.
Okay, already small.
Iya.
The mussels. This is the sago.
Sagu.
Starch, and this is coconut.
Coconut.
And then we have lemon, garlic, onion, chili, and lada hitam. Now the leaves need to be processed. First, we remove the hard stems. Then we're going to remove the flowers, because we don't want the flowers to be in the food. And then we cut everything to size, ready for the roasting process. Ini tidak pakai. Ini sampah.
Iya, nanti dibuangin ke sampah. Ya begini aja, biar juga tidak masalah. Bisa dikasih tinggal juga tidak masalah, no problem.
Okay, time to start working, yeah? While you see me cutting the leaves, you can see Sharif preparing bamboo toothpicks, out of the full bamboo of course, to close the leaves.
Now, first we add the sago mixed with grated coconuts. Then a second layer of mud clams or mangrove clams. And after, we will add another layer of the sago coconut mix. Then we will close the leaf, and finally we will put some of the bamboo toothpicks Sharif prepared before to close everything tightly and ready for the roasting process. Now, in the final step, once the wood has burned off, we will put the leaves on the fire for around 20 minutes, turn them and wait another 10 minutes.
Finally, the food is finished. I'm so hungry, really, because I've seen all the process, how they make it, and now I'm really hungry, and I'm curious how it tastes. And it's still a bit hot, so it's now in the leaves, and I will try to open it and see how it tastes. Well, the first thing I need to do is to open those little bamboo sticks here, you can see, and they're all over the leaves to keep it closed, and I'm gonna try to do that now. Wow, that looks delicious. It's already a little bit crispy, but still very soft from the inside. So let's see how it tastes. The white stuff is the coconut and a little bit of the sago. So let's see what it tastes like. Ah, it's very hot, and let's try. Oh, it's very nice. A little bit spicy. Wow. Wow, these shells, they're very good. Oh guys, I can really recommend you to try that. It's delicious. It's a bit spicy because, as you know, I'm not used to eat too much hot food, and of course they have chili inside, but overall it's delicious. It's a bit crispy, it's a bit soft. It's almost like a bread with fish, something like that. But the texture is very nice. It's almost like a whole grain bread because of the sago texture, and I love it. Oh, I can eat this every day. I love this natural way of cooking. Just the leaf, cleaned a little bit so it's not dusty, and just grilled inside of a leaf. It even gives the food a better aroma. I think food that is cooked over the fire in generally tastes better, but this is just amazing. I'm in heaven.